Hello and welcome back to an interesting Hot Wheels video. I'm pretty excited. Now I know you've all seen the title, so let's waste no time. And boom, a big box with some duct tape to obviously cover out the addresses and such. So yes, I'm pretty excited as this is my first Redline Club item. Not my first purchase, but it is the first thing to arrive. The other car I've ordered has taken quite a while to arrive. Not concerning at all. But anyway, yeah, so this is sort of my first impressions of the Redline Club, the elusive club that I've wanted to join for ages but never knew how. Turns out it was very simple, but yeah. So I've already made a first impressions to the club video, so this is kind of like the first impressions on items. So, first of all, right, let's go through the downsides here. The box came like this. So that's wonderful. And the contents of said box was like this. So, I can only imagine how much that rattled around in transport. This is all it had. And like, they're already like half deflated. Let's get rid of that because of all the crinkly noises. So I ordered a set of these wheels. So that's pretty cool. I thought I want some of these custom wheels. They don't seem too badly priced, about 20 odd quid. They're not too bad, still pretty expensive, but you do get 6 sets of wheels, so that's pretty good, I would say. All-wheel riders, so hopefully I can get on some customs soon. Now here is the main piece. So we're starting off with not what I'd say a true RLC car. This isn't one of their best, highest end models, but it's a little bit cheaper. This is kind of like sort of like their premium line, I guess. Yes, this is the Elite 64 series. Unfortunately, I missed the Chaser, because that thing looks awesome. But here is the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Now, it comes in this sort of plastic sleeve, so I guess it rattling around in the box isn't a huge deal. But for people like me that want to keep it in this, to display it, to keep it, you know, protected, it's kind of arrived slightly scratched up. It's not that visible on camera, but I say in person it is reasonably scratched and the edges are a bit dinged up. I say it's hard to really show it, the camera's not picking it up. There's quite a few scuff marks and that. I mean, I'm dropping it, which ain't really helping. So yeah, I'm a little bit unimpressed by that, to be honest, especially as it's had to come all the way from America. The box seems they've been cut off a bit poorly. Yeah, but it's not, you know, it's not terrible. But at the same time, I'm expecting a little bit more from the Redline Club, especially when I'm paying almost triple the money. But yeah, so I'm a little bit concerned about the more expensive car arriving. Hopefully that's okay. Maybe it's taking more time because it's been handled more carefully. Who knows? I have a tracking number. It's ended up with Royal Mail, so God knows where it is now. It might be a while before I see it. Anyway, fingers crossed. But yeah, here we have this. So I won't be the first to showcase this. I won't be, you know, the best to showcase these. Let's face it, Lamley Group probably showed it like 3 years ago and unboxed the preview variant and all that, and went into great detail. It went into great detail about how it was made and all that. Yeah, can't beat some people. But yeah, this is all new to me, so this is pretty cool. I like the fact it says this product is intended for adult collectors and is not intended for children under 14 years of age. I do quite like that. Yeah, hotwheelscollectors.com. Another thing that's cool, they actually give a cutout out the back there so you can see both sides of the vehicle. It has some information up the top there as well, which is really cool. Country of origin Germany, produced from 1954 to 1957, length 178 inches, width 70 inches, height 51 inches, weight 3,300 lbs. Engine is an inline 6 and it had a 4-speed transmission. So yeah, pretty awesome. That is the car in there. Perhaps I should have bought two to unbox, but they are pretty expensive. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of everything you'd want. It's just a really well detailed premium casting, and it even has opening doors, which I say, it would be nice to experience, but I'm not ready to start opening these sorts of things. I did wonder if you could actually, if they made doors on the back to open them, but I'm not sure if that's a real thing or not. But yeah, that is quite nice. I've got to say, the card art is beautiful. The car itself looks amazing. And for the price, it doesn't seem too shabby. I just wished I could add more to the orders, because they release the cars every few weeks or whatever, and then every single time I'm spending £9 to get them shipped out. And their system for working out the import charges can be a bit funny at times. Sometimes it will just charge a bit more and the prices will keep fluctuating, but I've heard for places like shipping to Canada are way worse for some reason, so I won't complain too much. But yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. Not much more I can really say about it, other than it's a very cool premium liner car. So yeah, stay tuned, because I've got some more Redline Club stuff coming soon. I'm actually really glad to finally be able to buy from there, because it's just such a cool way to expand the collection. You get some awesome cars, and so yeah, hopefully, what's that bit of stuff? So yeah, hopefully, oh, there's loads of. So yeah, there we are. Not much else to say really. Hopefully the other car comes, and in one piece. When it does, I'll make a video on that and sort of give my opinion on what I think of one of the more detailed custom Redline Club cars. And I was thinking of doing more videos on the stuff I get from the Redline Club, but of course I'm not sure if people are going to be interested, so let me know down below if you want to see some more Redline Club cars and I'll review and do my opinions on them. I know a lot of people probably already doing this. I mean, I constantly see short videos of people going over them, so it may not do so well, but yeah, let me know down below what you think if you want to see that, see my opinions on them. If not, then yeah, I guess I'll accept that. So, thanks for watching, good luck on all your peg hunts, and I shall hope to see you again in the next video.